All right, so we're going to come into the county website. It's paslc.org, all right? You're going to click on the top left box in the bottom there that says Search by Real Estate TPP. And then you can search by any method you want. I'm going to use site address. You'll punch in exactly what the site address is, but because I don't have one here, I'm just going to punch in any old address. And we'll find this one. This will be the first one, right? The 6105 Northwest East DeVille Circle. Now, if I hit record card, I can find out all kinds of things about the home. The parcel ID. A lot of the stuff you're probably not going to be overly interested in here because you're going to have it already on the MLS printout, right? But what you are going to be interested in is coming back down to that property, that second button that says trim, T-I-R-I-M, T-R-I-M. And when you come in here, you are going to see 3 columns, okay? The cool thing is on the left column there, it's got the taxing authority. So that is going to tell you all of the different things you're being taxed for. And then it's got the 3 columns, orange, red, and green, right? So the first column is last year's taxes. The second column is your taxes this year if no changes to the budget are made. And column 3 is your taxes if a budget change is made in accordance with the proposals that have been made so far. Now you can see on this one, it's really tight, right? It's actually telling you taxes are going to go down to $34.14 from the $34.52 you paid last year if no changes are made. If changes are made, it's going to go from $34.52 to $34.88, which is the bottom of the green column there. So you can see all that, right? And it tells you exactly what all the taxes for the different things are. So you're going to see on this one, obviously, you're going to be between $34.14 and $34.88. Now, here you can see some different assessments. You've got 3 of them. One is for stormwater, one is for streetlight district, and one is for solid waste. And then you can see over here on the right, they're $163, $26, and $281 for a total of $470. All right, so you can see all of those things added in. When you add the $470 to the numbers above, right, the orange one and the green one, they didn't do the pink one, you can see you're either paying $39.23 or $39.59. So that gives you that information there. I want to point out one more thing. I told you really want to know if it is homestead or not, because if it's not homestead and you homestead it, that means that the taxes are going to go down because you're going to get that $50,000 deduction. Here, I'm going to go on view full record card. And when I scroll down, you can see it says just market value $211,300, assessed value $184,516, and the exemptions are $50,500. That $500 is a separate exemption that they're receiving. The first $50,000 is because it's homestead. So you know that this person is homestead. So your taxes are going to be very similar to their taxes, except they got that cap, right? So then you look back at, okay, when was that home last sold? You can see it was last sold on the last day of 2015. So they've only lived there a couple years. So even though your taxes will probably be a hair higher than what they're paying, or I should say it's only going to be higher, it's only going to be a hair higher. It's not going to be a lot. If the last time that home had sold was 1992 and it's homestead, there's a good chance that your taxes are going to be considerably higher. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.